At the elephant camp today. A couple of guys taking a bath in the river. Here comes a bamboo raft. Very quiet, slow-moving water today. Beautiful here in the mountains outside Chiang Mai. Nice and cool up here too. We got away from 100-degree heat in the city. This bamboo raft is going right under the bridge. Easy does it. There, it's a nice bath. Fill up the trunk right out of the hose. Yeah, elephant gets a fresh drink of water. It's an elephant bath.
That was always going to happen. That was always going to happen. I bet you well, are they trained? They're not trained. He wouldn't be able to say, hey, splash it for that.
Are the filmers ready?
I'm good.
Alright, we're going to feed the elephant. There you go, pal. That's all yours. Yeah, get that one too.
Ow.
There's some more. It's all yours. Rafting on the river. Raft approaching.
Greg, D-Man fat.
There's D-Man and Monkey on the suspension bridge.
And what did D-Man just do, Monkey?
It's a meal bad.
No, that's the elephant, mate.
As the raft is approaching.
Smell bad.
Oh, really bad.
There he goes, right under the suspension bridge. Here we go. We'll continue crossing the bridge. This is a little shaky. It's a little shaky on this bridge. Trying to hold the camera steady. Whoa, we're bouncing up and down. I think that's Monkey playing games on the suspension bridge. We got a couple elephants eating here. This is Monkey and IQ Day. There goes Monkey.
เอาตากทีไรวุ้บวุ้บวุ้บวับวับ
Oh, he goes in the water.
มันเป็นอย่างนี้แหละเสร็จแล้วมันจะอร่อยไปเองกินไปเรื่อยๆจ้ะกินไปเรื่อยๆแล้วมันจะรับเองทำของมันกินไปมันจะหวานนี่แหละกินไปมันจะล่ำแล้ว
Nampon, do the slide. Do the slide. Do the slide. Do the slide.
จ้างเป็นบริษัทเป็นซีดาริโอที่ทำรู้บริษัทมัน
เกี่ยวคอไหนเมาเว้ย
เหมือนกันแต่ว่าจ้างนี่